tells so much about us, our personality, the way we are organized, what we like, what we don't like. So today I will tell you all the essentials that we need to keep when we are going to our college. Hello guys, welcome to Foxy. I'm Komal, I'm a makeup artist, and in this video we're going to talk about what's there in my college bag. So let's get started. More than any handbag or sling bag, I love carrying a backpack because it's so easy and convenient to carry. Also, I can put a lot of stuffs in this bag. So let's see what do I have in my bag. I always like carrying sunglasses everywhere I go because it's so much of heat outside that you'll not be able to see anything if you move out bare eyes. And the second thing I have is a water bottle. I always love keeping myself hydrated. Without water, I literally don't move outside my home. I like using this hand cream. This is one of my favorite hand cream. It's from the Face Shop, Cherry Blossom hand cream. The fragrance is super good and it keeps my hands really moisturized. And as you can see, I have no dryness around my cuticles and my hands, get really soft with this. I also have a sunscreen. This is one of the best sunscreens I've used till date. This is from L'Oreal Paris. It's UV Perfect Super Aqua Essence and it's with SPF 50 and PA++++ with long UVA. This is really amazing. It's like a watery gel which really blends into the skin, not making your skin look oily, not making your skin look, that chip effect. It doesn't happen like that. You just need a very little drop and you put it all over the face and you're literally done. This literally protects you from sun throughout the day. Then I have this cute little pouch from Foxy. So I ordered few stuff from Foxy online and they usually give you this gift along with it. So it's like a cute makeup pouch that I carry with me. So I have this Maybelline compact. This is white super fresh in the shade Pearl. This is really nice guys because whenever my face gets oily, I just do a little bit of touch up with it and it controls my oil for like really long hours. So I have two lip shades with me that I carry with me according to the dress that I wear. So one is from L'Oreal Paris. This is shade 121 I choose. It's a beautiful pinkish kind of shade. And the other one is Maybelline Touch of Spice. It's also again more like a mauvish pink color, really creamy in texture and glides on very nicely on the lips. And I have this mascara from Color Bar. I love using mascara because I like to enhance my eyes a bit. This is a 30 days growth booster and this has been a lifesaver for me. So I get a lot of volume when I put this mascara and it is actually buildable. So whenever you need to put very little in the morning, you do that. And in the evening, I add a little bit more on the roots to get a very nice volume. Then I have this one. This is a brow definer. I like using a brow definer because it actually shapes up my whole face. Yeah, this one is from Sugar. The name is Woody Scooby. The best part about this one is that you get a filler here at one end. And the other side you get a brow comber, so you can shape up your brows as well as just fill in inside. Then I have this kajal. This is from L18 Eye Drama. It's really intense, super black, and it comes in a roll-on form, so it's very quick and easy to use. And also I keep kajal because sometimes I feel when I in the morning I just put a kajal and when I have to go out I use it as an eyeliner, so it does the work of both the things together at once. Then this is again one of my favorite lip color. This is from Sugar. It's Smudge Me Not Lip Duo. And when I'm going out with my friends, hanging out with them or for a party, I like using this color. It's a little brighter color, so literally makes my face looks more prettier, more brighter. And if in case I need to add a little bit of poutiness to the lips, I use the gloss on top of it. So when you carry this, you have everything for the lips, I feel. And so that's it. That's there in my makeup bag. I also have a few mini things in my smaller pouch, here. So I have this baby lips from Maybelline New York. This one is Highline Wine. It actually is a tinted lip balm, which I like putting when I don't want to wear a lip color. Just, a little tint in the lips and also keeping my lips moisturized at the same time. So it's like a quick farafatkara and you're like done. Then I have this lip balm. This is a Khadi Natural lip balm. It's a peach flavored lip balm. It smells really good. And the best part is when you put in, you get a little bit of that peachy orangey kind of taste. And this is amazing because whenever I put this in the morning, till the evening, my lips doesn't get dry at all. And I like putting this lip balm before I put any matte lip color. So it actually prevents my lips from getting all those cracks and all those lines, yeah. So this is all what I had in my college bag. And if in case you like anything that I have in my bag, please do check out Foxy. And see you in the next video. Till then, stay fab, stay foxy.